Alright, we're going to get back on this 4-speed tranny here. So, I'm going to grab a bunch of parts. So, basically we're going to do a low dollar, not replace everything in sight, rebuild. So, put new bearings in it, few missing parts, and there's our bearing over there. And roller bearings here. Put a standard set down here, and we got oversized ones up over here. These are gaskets. Missing screws, throw-out bearing that we don't have, complete, and more gaskets, and a new main bearing. So we're basically going to replace the bearings in here, but not the gears. We're going to live with the gear issue. So we're going to have to put the new case race up in the case here and see how round the hole is when we're done. Figure out what bearing we need. And then this thing here, we got to figure out why it's not shifting. This is the biggest problem we got right now is this thing. So, not exactly sure what's going on with that. But something's wrong. Okay, there should be some kind of a mark in here which I can't see to line up that gear tooth. This cut gear tooth here with one over here, make sure it's aligned. So I'm going to try to see if I can identify what that mark is. Right now I don't know what the problem is. Can't see it at an angle like that. They purposely make these things so you can't see them. It'd be a lot easier if the mark was on the inside, on this side of the gear over here instead of on that side. And as usual, this is too close to see anything. Gotta get back further so you can see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shift it up higher to the gear. See if I can identify the mark. Don't really see anything to go by. Nice. Ah, there it is. Really hard to see. So right between this tooth here, there's right above my screwdriver, you'll see there's a little bit of a cut where they ground it. See, this one's straight across, and then you see the one that has the low spot in it. The low spot goes in where this tooth here goes. So we got to mark which one that is. And the felt tip and make sure it's in the right spot. At least that's the game plan. Okay, so marks right between these two here. So I marked the two tops, so that's the only part I can see. I don't even know if you can see the notch there between those two teeth. But if you can see up in there maybe, I don't know. You can blow up on TV, I can't blow up. So now all I gotta do is make sure this mark goes in between those two. And it appears to be rolling in there right between those two teeth like it's supposed to. So these are timed to each other. Okay, so that just leaves what's going on with our indent mark over here is our problem. And that is a problem. This here is too high. Doesn't look like it sticks up very much, but it's too high. So I don't know if it's higher than this one over here, or not. All we know is it's too much. Let's go see if I can find another gear, but I don't know if I have any around here. Just get an initial idea what we have. Roughly 370 on that one. 360, so it's not sticking up any more than the other side. Assuming they're supposed to be the same height all the way around, I don't know that. My bikes don't have neutral indicators, they're too old. I have these issues. So that indent is a problem. Next problem is a switch. We need to determine how much it takes to activate the switch. So that means what point does it turn on and off. Okay, find my own meter around here somewhere. Be laying up here, we can find it easily. Looks like underneath my spray can. That's where I hit it. Alright. Here's my meter. My new meter. Opposed to my old meter. Alright. Oh, there's my missing jumper wires. I must have been doing some electrical work. I knew they'd turn up at some point. Yeah, that's only one of them though. I'm still missing a couple more. Okay, so we need ohms. I'm not sure how you tell what it is. It says auto. That must mean it's smarter than me. It's got a noisemaker on it. Modern tools. Okay. So we put it on the wire post up over here. Doesn't work. We're going off the terminal post on this side and ground over here. It's supposed to be a grounding switch. The meter's jumping all over the place, which I don't like. But it never goes beep like that. Should be on right now. So I think the switch is bad anyway. Or the meter's not that good, I'm not sure. I don't like modern meters. Alright, so now I go find me a switch. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. Got another neutral switch. Probably my last one back in the day. These ones are chrome plated. What you get now are the zinc plated ones. This one's made in Taiwan. The new ones are made in China. Nice chrome plated one. Oh yeah, already is a big difference. Short plunger, long plunger. think that's our problem. Plus it wasn't working maybe. Alright, let's see if this one works. Not sure what this is out of because the 79 cowpie ones, they stick out about this far as I recall. So not sure what this one is. Probably something you got an auto parts store or something, who knows. Alright, let's see if the meter works now. Okay, first thing, the button. Still doesn't work that way though. Nope. Nice meter. So much for modern tools. Yeah. That ain't helping me any. Junk. My sticker. Alright, we need better tools than that for checking stuff. We have better tools. Jumper cable and test light. Only tools you need to check Harleys out with. You need fancy ass meters. Alright, so we do need a battery, which we happen to have over here hooked up to our heater. So, battery, tools. This is our ground. I'm going to make it a positive. Positive goes right there. This will be our ground. You hold that on the plunger. I don't know if you hold it. Which one's which? You hold that on the body. Then you have your button, and then you can press it. And the light should come on. It's not working. Light does work. So when you touch the body, it does work. See? Light doesn't work. Not sure if you can see that because it's kind of low. It doesn't work. Okay, a new one. Well, it ain't going to work like that. Awkward to do. Yeah. That's wonderful. The light's not supposed to be on right now. Nice switch. This was always on. No matter what you do, it's on. That's not good. Yep. It works when it wants to. Shake it up a little bit. Now it works. Gotta be all the way down. All the way in. Nice switch. Maybe this one needs a little shock treatment too. Nope. Definitely doesn't work at all. Mine works like it's supposed to. Okay. There you go. Quality parts. Wrong one and doesn't work. No wonder those problems. Mine overworks. Okay, that's no good. So now we know what the problem is. Alright, we get all the stuff put away, I'll be back.